The next page which we could add to our WordPress blog is About Us page. So just like the previous time, instead of creating this page from the scratch, we can use templates, because you already know how to use Elementor, you know how to use elements, and basically you know how it works. So we can go to the dashboard. Let's click right here and let's click page, click add new. So just add a title to your page and let's click edit with Elementor. Alright, so just like the previous time, instead of using elements, let's click right here and we can choose the template which we want to use. So I guess I will use the same template just like the previous time, but this time I will choose About Us page. And if you don't like the way this page looks, if you don't like the way this template looks, you can use any other template from the list, but I will use this one. Let's click right here and let's click About Us page. Let's click import template, and just like that we basically created a new About Us page. So the next thing which you have to do is just edit the text, add your own information. You can change the style of each element by clicking right here. We could even change the color of this dash. We would have to go to style settings and we can change basically everything. We can even delete some of the sections by clicking right here, or you can click the right mouse button and you would have to click right here delete. So yeah, this is how you can create a nice looking pages using Elementor. As you can see it yourself, it's quite easy, and you can even add a home page for your website, but I wanted to show you how to create it from the scratch so you would know how to use Elementor, how these elements work. And once you have finished, if everything seems great, you can go right here and click publish. Instead of clicking have a look, we could go back to our WordPress dashboard by clicking right here and let's click exit to dashboard. So let's click on WordPress logo, and right here you can see the list of all our pages. So we have About Us page, we have a blog page, we have Contact Us page, and we have a home page. So as you can see, Contact Us, Home, and About Us page, they were created using Elementor, but other pages were not. So basically that's all you need to know, how to create your pages using Elementor. And in the next lesson I will show you how you can create or edit page without using Elementor, just with a WordPress text editor. And later on we will start working on the customization settings. I will show you how to add menus and all other things as well.